Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with entry number 9 to my birthday challenge giveaway. This is from my Twinsie, Christine. Hey Twinsie. She is shabbypinkhouse here on YouTube. If you guys are not familiar with her, you need to make sure to head on over to her channel. She creates the most gorgeous, gorgeous projects. And this was actually included with a birthday blessing that she has sent me, and I will do a separate video for that. She also did a VR for the items that she created, and I will link that up in the top right of the screen so that you guys can go check that out. So let's open it up. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this topper that she created with the doilies and the double seam binding bow, and then she put a little Wild Orchid Craft flower in the center. Look how beautiful. It is just so pink and lovely. I love it. So she has, I think this is her favorite tulle trim. She has this teeny tiny banner with the hearts cut out of it, tied tiny little bows on each end, and then these tiny flowers that she whitewashed. She has some lace in the background of this scalloped oval, and then another stitched scalloped oval with this bench that I believe she popped up on foam, and then has this tiniest flower cluster. It is so cute. And then this rosette trim at the bottom. I love it. And for you guys that don't know, the reason we call each other Twinsie is that we share the same birthday. So that's the reason. And if you guys did not know, her style is shabby chic, and her favorite colors are light pink and white. So thank you so much, Twinsie. I love it. And here is the card. She is always so thoughtful. She always wraps it up in blue tissue paper and ties a lot of seam binding around the package. And I always save it so that I can reuse it. Here is her beautiful card. I love it. There is so much detail on this card. I believe it's a 5x7. Of course, she made it blue because she knows that's my favorite color. She distressed the edges with ink, and it looks like she used snow text on a lot of the elements. She hung some chain from this corner over here, and it's holding this bird cage. Beautiful white flowers that she's textured up. This ornate frame, this birthday banner right there. She has some cheesecloth in the back, a doily. I mean, just layer upon layer of beautiful. She also has this double seam binding bow at the bottom with this heart cabochon, some wedding trim. It's just so beautiful, and I love this little peekaboo area that she has some lace tucked in inside. And she is always so sweet to actually include like a hanger, because I do tend to hang up her cards. So it's just made out of some seam binding, and then she just tied a bow. Beautiful. So here is her information. I love that she uses this little silver charm. Oh, thank you so much, girl. I love it, of course, and I will treasure it like I do everything that you hand make for me. So thank you so much, Christine. Like I mentioned, she is entry number 9. Please go check her out, show her some love, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.